More than often, traffic data is scattered across multiple systems. Reaching a comprehensive traffic situational awareness can be a headache. On top of that, public actors must assess traffic impact, meet regulations and emission reduction targets. At Nodeon, we know the everyday challenges traffic infrastructure professionals face. This is why we developed Asgard Analysis, a cloud-based traffic data management system. Asgard Analysis gathers your data to a single environment, just a few clicks away. From there on, it is easily analyzed, visualized, and distributed to third parties. Possible integrations include data from measuring devices, traffic light intersections, the National Vehicle Register, weather services, and more. We help create better living environments for people. How can we help you develop smarter mobility?